Making money is easy. We've been taught that it's hard. Making money is easy. We've been taught that it's hard to make money. But the reality is it's only hard to make money if you have no value to give to others. And when you understand that all you have to do is create value, and that's going to allow you to make money, you can make money. My girlfriend, what she did was bought a bunch of bags from Alibaba.com and she sold them on eBay. She found value, she found handbags that people actually wanted. She put them on eBay, she sold them, she made money. Pretty easy. Is that hard to do? Can you do that? I'm sure you can. It's easy to make money, especially with the internet nowadays. I've made a significant amount of money on the internet, and what I found is all you got to do is create value and show people that you have value, and then take the payment and deliver what they ask for. And all you have to do is find out what's going on in the marketplace and what needs or desires people have, and then create something that those people actually want, and you can make money. For example, if someone wanted to learn how to go and knit, then you can actually create a course on knitting, and I'm sure people will buy that knitting course if they want to learn how to knit. It's kind of strange, but literally all you have to do is create value and give it to people. Well, not give it to them, but you know, give it to them in exchange for money. It's an exchange. So really, the reality is making money is easy. I don't think it's hard, I think it's really easy. I want to give you something very powerful right now, and it's the abundance mindset. I went for a walk earlier today, and during my walk, I saw a penny on the floor. And what did I do? Oh, no, I didn't ignore that penny. I picked that penny up right away because the universe was giving me money. I don't care if it was 1 penny or $1 million, baby. I'm gonna pick up that penny and make it mine. I'm gonna accept the abundance. If I have a goal for £1,000 or $1,000 and I find a penny on the floor, that means I'm $999.99 away from achieving my goal. You're getting closer, baby, 1 cent closer. Right? So that's what we want to go and do. We want to realize that in order to go and create more money in our life, we need to have the abundance mindset. We need to see that money is all around us, and we can go, you know, make money in so many different ways. So what I advise that you do right now is write down 10 ways you can make money within the next 90 days. And I'm sure one of them, at least one of them, will work. It could be mowing someone else's lawn, which is a bit crazy, but it's extra cash, right? It could be washing someone else's windows, someone else's car. It's extra money, right? And once the money starts coming in and you're putting it away, maybe you can start your own car wash business, or your own window washing business, or your own lawn mowing business where you have people working for you mowing lawns. Gotta start somewhere. It's easy to make money, especially with the internet nowadays. So go out there, make money, make it happen, and I'll speak to you soon. Peace.